stick. Get down there. Hello, sorry. If you can hear it, we're just getting slowly closer. Alright, good news. Found this really new path and 2 locals, and I just said Air Terjun, and she's like, this way. One of very few people to come to this waterfall, because this is not, it wasn't an easy feat, put it that way. Alright, how's it going, people? Today we're going to Yeh Poh Waterfalls. So, just got a little bit of a track here, 950 metres. Could maybe drive it, probably better with the scooter, but I'm just going to walk. My driver's back down there waiting. Bit of a rough road here. And the track's about K or something, maybe that. 2 k's per turn actually, plus it's 900 metres, so 2.5 maybe. Not too bad, one of the longer walks anyway. Dogs are barking. Hello! 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 Hey! Hi! Hello! Barky! I think Barky. Wait! Wait! Okay, this is definitely a more extracurricular one. Apparently, it's got a track, but he goes, apparently I'm not on it, and when I was supposed to go follow the track, this local's telling me that it's broken, and in limited English we're trying to figure out that I'm supposed to follow this track this way instead, so I don't know, we'll see. Obvious. If it's bending around, it seems to be taking us almost parallel to the path, so we'll see. A different waterfall? I don't know, there's a track, I don't know if this is it. But, hello, sorry. Watching the thing. I see the water here, I don't know if this is it. Just a cascade. Go a bit further. She marked on Google in 2 different tribs. And it's different than what's marked on Gaia. So maybe the old track got broken and they decided to direct people to another waterfall that was near it. Maybe down here. Don't know if this is a driveway or what. This road on Google is supposed to go straight. I don't know if this is driveway. It's very weird. Let's have a look at the creek. Maybe it's still upstream a bit. I think this is driveway. Little cascade there. We'll go up and see what this motorbike is and see if there's another entry point. It's bigger in here, maybe because it's creek top. We're nearly at the line. We'll see if there's another track in or not. Can't really see. I'm just here. It's pretty slippery here, so I'm lucky I'm barely even able to walk up it, let alone drive it. So as we're now higher, it's just so weird. Unless there's another track over from this road to the other one. I really don't know. We'll keep going. If there is a track over from this road, that'll be good. Motorbikes are parked here, maybe there is a way straight in there. Let's have a look. This is almost parallel to the fake track here. It's almost parallel to one of the markings anyway. This is obviously going to yield something. This is hard. There's like multiple options going on here. Like one, the track keeps going. Whether it goes over to the other trip, it might. There's no sign for it clearly. Versus going up this road and then maybe there's another track over further to get to it. I don't know. Well, topographic lines at least say this will be a better way to go. So let's just see if this gets to it. Hopefully not someone's got a local lady here. At least I can say Air Terjun in Indonesian so she can understand me because I don't think she speaks English. And she said, yep, go this way. So I don't know, but it's gonna work, I think. This might be a new track. This waterfall might be so new that like it's not even for tourism yet, really. Even though it's marked on Google. We've got a cow in here. Bull, hello. That might be the path there. The original path. Okay, let's have a look at this. What's my map tell me? I don't know why I said it was broken. It must be like one bridge was out or something. So maybe try to direct me a shortcut way. But this looks, if I'm right, this looks like a pretty obvious waterfall first. No, it reckons we're nowhere near it. What the hell, man? This is wild. Literally nowhere near the path we're meant to be on. Doesn't make sense, eh? Don't know what's going on here, I might have to skip this for now because like everything's screaming to go right and then it bends back around to meet the old path. I should have just gone on the old path. Left here because this left goes up this hill. I don't know, it's not even going to get anywhere near the waterfall. It's following another trib. I don't know. It's so weird. We could follow this for a bit. I don't know, there's definitely another cascade or something going on here. This is so weird, this track. I don't know what's going on with it. Hey, we're back at where we started. This is the driveway. Huh. Okay. Well, screw it, let's go up the hill then. At least I know where I am now. I can go back this way. Well, fingers crossed. It's now going to start curving dramatically to the right. We're going the wrong way, so I don't know how this is going to go. But it's concrete, so we'll see. It's curving. It's a good start. Well, so far so good. This track is heading down again. In the general direction. I'm still going to get right down into there. To find this old track, so I hope there's going to be a way. The scooter we want is down here. It's way far. The little bridge thing here, I don't know what this is. Hopefully there's a way. I don't know. This is definitely surprising. It's marked on Google and yet it's so hard to navigate. Well, I don't know if you can hear it. We're definitely getting slowly closer. So I'm optimistic. I don't know. Like you clearly could just push back, but I'm not going to. And I hope this track will take me where I need to be. It's like within 200 metres now, but down. See what the sign says here. Alright, good news. Found this really new path and two locals, and I just said Air Terjun, and she's like this way. And we're pretty much almost parallel to whatever old path might have been, but this is the way you should do it. So luckily I did get some local tips because otherwise I would have been down in the jungle and probably taken way longer. So yeah, we're nearly there, people. Can't believe this actually worked. I was nearly going to give up and thought it was just a wild goose chase. Right now we're above some levels, so I guess the old track might have took you to the very, very bottom of the creek, or I don't even know, but it sounds like a real big one just there. This is probably what we're chasing, so far I don't see how we're getting down. For real. It's almost canyon-like, that is wild. There we go, I can see something, that's good. This section's not really going to be achievable. Ah, bugs got in my eye, you bastard. Oh, it's still in the eye, you son of a... Whew. Can't see down there really, but you can hear it pumping. Wow. Crazy, they made these steps good on them. And there was no little thing advertising it, no sign. There's a flag, so that means the end, I guess. Decent size. They're definitely still constructing stuff, so they're probably working towards properly marketing it, but for the moment, looks like they're building the little fountain thingies here or something. Not sure what this trip is. Let's sick. Get down there in a second, have a second look. Let's see what's up this path here. Looks like some dry trim. It won't be nothing exciting. That's a huge wall. We're not going to get up it easily. I don't know where that will go, but have a 5-second look. Looks like it could be a dry waterfall trim just here. Wow. It's trickling. Probably one of very few people to come to this waterfall because this is not, it wasn't an easy feat, put it that way. That's cool. It was worth exploring that. Cool. Okay. Look at the good one. Really muddy toe footprints. Alright, I dare say this is probably not even months old. Big offerings, eh? Another trip waterfall trickling in. This is our main event. They always set up like a little, whatever, praying station, I don't know. The force is pretty strong, it's blowing a lot of mist rain. That boulder's blocking the perfect shot. So you have to get the shot up there. Yeah, right. Still pretty cool. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the journey. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Hit notification bells, get notified with all the new misadventures. Come check out Yeh Poh Air Terjun. Catch you guys in the next one, eh? Peace out. Alright, so fun fact, Christo just explained the meaning of the name. So Yeh Poh. Yeah. So Yeh actually means water in Balinese. Yeah. And Poh actually means mango. And the reason they call it Yeh Poh Air Terjun Waterfall is because in the rainy season they'd get lots of rain and the mangoes would fall off the tree from upstream, and the mangoes would float down the creek and no one would eat them, and they just basically were floating everywhere, and therefore everyone just saw mangoes and thought, yep, it's called water mangoes, so that's the name. So next one we're going to go to is another one with so water, and it's got another name, so we'll see you there.